So restoration, I think in order to do it, you need a passion, and it needs to be something that you want to do the homework, because what's being done and built right now is not anywhere similar to what was built 50 or 100 years ago. And without doing that homework, without getting into the details, without looking at, whatever's left of the architect's original drawings, whatever's left of that specification, some original photos, you're not going to understand restoration. It's not something you're going to pick up a book and look. So I think without that passion, and some people don't have it, you kind of quickly get out of the industry. And for me, I found that, especially with Berglund, you're afforded these opportunities to really get on early in jobs on historic buildings, Unity Temple, the Shedd Aquarium, Union Station, things like that, where you can get in and you can dig into the details and you can find how they built that building, what it took to do it. And you can look at, the detail and the ornament of the terracotta and someone hand carving that, and how are we going to replace that now to make sure it looks seamless and maintain that fabric.